Question tonight comes from Leah Jabali.
How do I become a wildlife scientist, and what is your favourite animal?
What's your favourite animal?
Oh, I would have to say it's the whale. And because this is... I was hoping the kids would stay up late for this show right now.
I'm sure they have.
Thankfully, I've got Winston here. And I just thought, why not bring a prop? It's a science show. This is how I communicate science. The whale is my favourite animal. They're big. In fact, being next to a whale in the water, you literally have to turn from one side to another. They're so big, they're as big as a bus. And if you're in a car and you look at your family-sized car, that's how big their babies are. But to become a wildlife scientist and to do what I do, you need to be passionate, and I'm sure you do have passion. I'm sure the people watching this show are passionate about what they do. Doing something that you love is really important. And in Australia, to help foster that next generation for the jobs that don't even exist yet is something that's important. And to follow your passion and do something in terms of helping animals and saving whales by learning about them and learning about our environment is something that we can all contribute. And you don't have to be a marine scientist or a wildlife scientist to do that. We can all make changes at home every day. Don't pour chemicals down the drain, and you know, make sure you throw your rubbish in a bin. But be proactive. The skills that you have acquire at school, or those jobs that you might have at a supermarket, these are all skills that you can take on board for the later future career of you becoming a wildlife scientist. And ask questions. Talk to scientists. We're not scary. We're approachable. And social media is
I can vouch
great.
for that. You've been very approachable.
We have great shoes too. Come on.
And we have great shoes.
And great
We don't dress
shoes.
dorky.
Brian.